Transmission system maintenance employees used to have quarterly safety meetings at several of the TSM shops. A group of about 6 to 8 employees would travel to each shop and present the safety information. Scott Agnew is a training coordinator in TSM and explains how doing one large joint virtual meeting helps save time and money.
It's a considerable amount between the travel we spend on our guys just flying to and from the locations, and then the guys actually out in the field attending. Many of them have to drive. When we have the Wheatland meeting, we've got the crews from Stegall that have to drive. That's an hour for them. When we have the North Dakota one in Mandan or Minokan, we had the Buell and Williston guys all driving down, so it was a lot of time, a lot of fuel. We had to rent hotel rooms, and so just a lot of different things that came into play that it just sort of makes this kind of a no-brainer. You know, the biggest gain here is that we're saving the members money. We're saving a lot of time. We're becoming more efficient. It takes there's a lot of moving parts between the different presentations and how we were going to get everybody to see it and access it. And I mean, that's really the goal here, is to try and make us more efficient, save, reduce some costs. All of that is going to benefit Basin and our member owners.